for Dustin. Hello, ma'am. Please join us here. Dito po kayo sa gitna. Go ahead. Kinakabahan daw si Dustin. Sa gitna kayo, sige. Okay.
On behalf of Gawad Dangal Filipino Airlines, we would like to present. Can I have Direct Ron come up here, please, and to award Dustin?
Welcome po, Direct Ron. Go ahead. Sige po, pasok po kayo.
Good evening, Miss Rosel. Good evening, Dustin.
Wow, ang daming awards.
I'm Direct Ron. I'm a movie director and host, and I'm the president of Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards. We have a surprise for you. We conducted a survey, a poll for 3 months, and you garnered 3.7 million votes. So you won the Best Male Celebrity of the Year. And we have another one. For among all your kasabayan, you also won. This is the top most award. Okay? Hall of Fame, most popular, Best Celebrity of the Year. Where are the chefs? How about the solids? Sila ang nagpapanalo sa iyo. And another category is the Best Love Team of the Year. And it goes to Das Bia. Who do you think won the best fans club in the country? Das Bia Fans Club. Any representative from the fans club?
Andrea? Andrea Rao, are you here?
And it's also Das Bia who won Star Icon Award for Best Fans Club of the Philippines. Hinakot mo, Dustin, hinakot mo. Madam Rosel, what can you say?
Of course, I'm very, very proud of you, Dustin. At lahat ng mga tao nagmamahal sa inyo dito, kung wala, magpasalamat tayo sa kanila dahil sa support nila sa inyo.
Okay, here's our representative from Das Bia to receive the award for Best Fan Club of the Year. Congratulations, Dustin! Ano bang masasabi mo after receiving all these accolades? Go ahead. Nahirapan siya sa sobrang dami. Oo nga naman.
Wow. Dito magiging posible kung wala kayo. Grabe yung support niyo sa akin, alam ko yan. Salamat, alam kong may times na napapagod din kayo. Alam ko hindi madali, sobra alam ko hindi madali, pero grabe yung pagmamahal niyo sa akin. To be honest, kung wala kayo, hindi ko rin alam kung paano. Pero since nandiyan kayo, napapasaya niyo ako. Tulad ngayon, ang dami nating awards na nakuha. At maraming maraming salamat. You know, itong nangyari ngayon ay hindi ko makakalimutan to. Kahit na ano mangyari, kahit na sabihin na natin, huwag naman sana, pero I mean, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo dadalhin ng panahon. Pero I mean, ako ngayon, super grateful ako for you guys. And salamat sa mga awards. Salamat sa pagpanalo sa amin ni Bianca. Wala siya ngayon, alam ko. Pero for sure, pag nandito siya, sobrang laki rin ang pasasalamat ko sa inyo. At sobrang na-appreciate niya kayong lahat. Mahal na mahal niya kayo, sigurado ako dyan. At yeah, sana mas magpahalan pa tayong lahat.
Congratulations, Dustin. It's not just one award, not just two, not just three. It's Grand Slam for Dustin Yu and Daspia. Thank you for the guidance of Miss Rosel. Any words?
Well, you know, I've known Dustin since nung pandemic. Pinakilala siya sa akin. At nag-audition siya. He worked hard for the role. Dun sa first series niya, nakita ko sa mga mata niya. Iba yung mata ni Dustin, tama? So, may soul. Meron. So, sabi ko sa sarili, nako, hindi pwedeng pakawalan nito. Kasi malayong mararating ni Dustin Yu. And, you know, he loves the industry, he loves everyone here. He appreciates people that loves him.
Thank you very much po. And maraming salamat for the awards and for being here sa Sold Out family ni Dustin. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin ang Gawad Dangal Filipino Awards and of course, Miss Rosel Monteverde. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Okay, picture daw, picture. Thank you! Dito po tayo sa gitna. They're beautiful. You know, hindi lang talaga yung mga tao rito sa loob ng New Frontier Theater ang nagmamahal kay Dustin. Ilan yun? 3.7 million votes? Wow! Grabe! Alright. Thank you very much to our special guests. You may now go back to your seats dahil may pasasalamatan pa si Dustin. Thank you po! Maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Dustin, alam ko may mga gusto ka pang pasalamatan.